Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing another UKMT question. So the question is, the diagram shows a 1 by x rectangular plank which fits neatly inside a 10 by 10 square frame. What is the value of x? So first thing we can do is write what we have on here. So what we know, we know that each side, because it's a 10 by 10 square frame, that we know that from A to B, for example, it's 10, and then A to D is 10 as well. We know that, and then we can also add 10 here and 10 here. So to have a better look, we can look at the area where the rectangle isn't touching. So this is it, this small corner, right angle corner here. So our right angle corner consists of here, here, and that. So that's a bigger version of it. So because we know that the area of our rectangle is 1 by x, that means that this, if this is x, then this is 1, and that is 1, and that is x. So now we know our length here is 1. So basically what we can do is that we can find the area of this rectangle here, in this right angled triangle here, in terms of x here, because this is an x is something that you want to find out. So we do try and find it in our smaller right angle first. So because we know this is 1, then with symmetry we can find, because with symmetry you can find out that when you half it here, this is half and that is half. And we can further prove this because, first of all, this is half because this is the diagonal of our bigger square here. So that has to be half and that has to be half. We know, so that means that of this 90 degrees, this is 45 degrees and this is 45 degrees. And this angle would be 90 degrees and that would be 90 degrees. And then that means these two angles are 45, so that's 45, that's 90, and that's 45. So that means this is an isosceles triangle. Each of these are isosceles triangles, so that means this height here is also half. So now we know this height is half, then this height will also be half. So this whole hypotenuse here is basically 1 plus x, because it's half and half plus x. So if we look at this in a broader scale, we basically are left with 1 plus x is our hypotenuse. So 10 squared plus 10 squared equals the root, it equals 1 plus x squared, basically. So, right, so now we can, so for this we can, so 10 squared plus 10 squared is 200. So 200 equals 1 plus x squared. So if we expand 1 plus x squared, it's just basically 1 plus x squared and then plus 2x. Or easier way of doing it is just expanding it. So 1 is basically the same as saying 1 plus x times 1 plus x. So 1 by 1 is 1 plus x plus x plus x squared. So you basically just get 1 plus 2x plus x squared. So 1 plus 2x plus x squared is our thing. 1 plus 2x plus x. Oh, no. What am I doing? Sorry. You actually do, so if we know that's that, then we can root 200 to get 1 plus x. So then x just equals root of 200, minus 1. And root 200 can also be written as could be also written as 10 root 2. So 10 root 2 minus 1 equals x, which is B. So that's our answer. Thank you guys for watching our video. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.